the particular characteristics of the soil can vary quite widely, even within quite geographically close areas. So knowing the particular features of your soil, but also some of the natural processes that are helping to build up that soil, can really help you understand how to work with that soil, but also work in the context of the natural resources in your area to help promote the ongoing health and regeneration of that soil, and make it healthier over time. So we'll go later into the particular characteristics of soil and how to do it, determine what those properties of the soil are. But generally a site might have a sand dominated soil which would drain really easily, warm up quickly in summer, but not be so good at holding on to water or nutrients, more importantly. So it's quite a hungry soil. It needs feeding with a lot of organic matter to stimulate good levels of organic production. And then on the other extreme of that, you get a clay type soil which doesn't drain very easily. It's very small particle, and it's very it can be very compacted if it's particularly if it's grazed quite heavily. And some of the properties of a clay soil is that it holds on to a lot of nutrients. It holds on to too much water. It doesn't allow it to drain very easily. But I guess ideally, if you can find a site which has a nice combination of these different types of soil, which is called a loam type soil, it has the properties where it would allow water to drain quite freely. It would hold on to some nutrients, and it would provide a nice environment to be able to support the development of a rich soil biology. But regardless of what the soil is like, in a New Zealand context, we're quite lucky to have good depth of topsoil and fertile soils generally, other than on the steep sloped areas. So we've got quite a good base resource that we can work with and improve the health and productivity of to support our production.